We're glad with so many reactions. Kaboons are really becoming the standard for learning expressions. We are also glad with the many drawings sent to us. Many children are also uploading their drawings with Kaboons. We love it! From now on, we have a new item. We collect your ideas about language learning and especially regarding learning expressions. We think that this item is especially of interest for language teachers. Let's get started with our new series. Here is our first image. Did you get this expression? It is look before you leap, and it means that you should think about possible consequences before you act. In a sentence, it could look like this. I told him to look before he leapt when he told me he wanted to buy that house, but he didn't listen. Now it turns out the house needs a lot of work. Another example. Jill applied for the first university she came across and now realises she doesn't like it there. Learn from her mistake. Look before you leap. This image shows the expression, let sleeping dogs lie. It means that you should not interfere in a certain situation because it would only make things worse. For instance, Michael was very cheerful that morning, so Vincent decided not to tell him the bad news. Let sleeping dogs lie, he thought. Our second example, I was late for work this morning, but luckily my boss didn't notice and I decided not to mention it and let sleeping dogs lie. Here comes our third image. The expression here is beggars can't be choosers. It means that if you were given something, especially because you cannot pay for it yourself, you must accept it and shouldn't complain. A first example. I'm not sure I like the skirt, but I have little money and it was for free, so it's fine. Beggars can't be choosers. And the second example. Alex wanted a new toy, even though it wasn't his birthday, and then he got angry when he didn't like it. His dad told him beggars can't be choosers and he should be happy with what he has. And that's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish, or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop offers. And don't forget the new possibility for uploading your own Kaboons drawings. Kaboons are simple characters, and I'm sure that you or the children at school are able to make magnificent Kaboons. Furthermore, we enjoy drawings of expressions from every language. Finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you! See you next time.